I just never had a RedBull before my whole entire life. So weather's gonna be really nice today. I put on a cute outfit. I'm gonna go see my mom. Okay, so we're about to go to the 7-Eleven. I'm about to get a RedBull. And then I'm gonna take it back here. And then we're gonna have a freaking party, man. About to go on a road trip. I did just change my shirt because I think I like this one better, right? Yes, no? I think so. Anyway, so I'm about to do my hair really quick. And then we about to boat out of here. Get the This is my handy dandy clip holder caboodle thing. And I just need to choose something really cute. Ooh. Like, did you hear that? Did you hear that? I feel like I always look so weird when my hair is like all the way back. Wow, yeah, I do look like a freaking idiot. Ew. Grooves in the hut. Na 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 na. Do you ever burp and it feels like you're about to throw up? I feel like I look so weird in the camera today. Is it just me or is it just you? Can we focus on my toes, please? I changed my outfit. I'm wearing my pants, my sweatpants, because people, if somebody looks at me the wrong way in the store, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna have to beat somebody's ass. And I don't want that frustration today. Like, I'm having a good day. So we're not gonna fight anybody today. Fingers crossed. Whenever I see somebody in their car, I'm like, wow, it fits like who you look like with the car that you have. Like, it always does. But yay, we're here. This is where we make history, baby. Should we go big or go home? We should probably go home, actually. We're gonna get one there, 419. That's a bug. That's a bug for me. Look at those meaty rollers. Wow, I actually did it. Something else that you should know that my boyfriend pointed out is that I actually never drink any kind of caffeine. I literally only drink water and orange juice. This is gonna be kind of intense for me. It smells like berries. Actually tastes pretty good. This actually doesn't even feel bad. Usually Pepsi like hurts my throat, or even Coca-Cola. Vitalizes body and mind. This is like a drug, isn't it? RedBull is appreciated worldwide by top athletes, busy professionals, college students, and travelers on long journeys. What about YouTubers? How long does it take before I feel it? It's like it wants to come out, but it wouldn't. So I was thinking for this video, right, that I should either put together an outfit or go through my clothes, because I always do like end of season clean out. I end up getting rid of like a huge pile of clothes from my closet. I'm just gonna go on live really quick and ask the people what they want. I'm gonna get it straight from the vine. So I'm trying to record a video, but I don't know what I want to record a video about. Wow, this is gonna give me heartburn. Oh, you know what? How about we just talk about some stuff for a minute? Everybody was just throwing a bunch of lookbooks out at me, and I think that's all cool and dandy, but I want to do more than lookbooks. I want to be more than just a fashion inspirer. But anyways, on my live video, everybody pretty much was like, you should do the first one where you go through your clothes and get rid of stuff. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're about to go through my shit. We're going to get rid of shit. To determine if I'm actually going to keep it or not is like, can I even put something together with it? And if I'll even like the way it fits me. I don't even wear clothes as often as I get them. That's why it's so hard to determine like what I'm actually going to wear or not. I can work any outfit. Everything looks good on me. So now it's just a matter of me comparing it to like literally everything else in my closet. Like, I like this, but do I have something of the same style that I like better? But there's a lot of times where it's like, I don't realize how much I like something until I wear it or until I own it for at least like a good 2 weeks. I have so many jars full of clothes. I don't even know where I am anymore. This just makes me feel like more like in the moment. Like I could just like tackle shit. Okay, so today I think we're going to try and tackle these 3 drawers. I have filled up to the freaking brim, filled with shirts I literally just pull to the side everything that isn't my absolute favorite. Oh my god. Also, I'll take out any shirts that like I've owned for a minute and I haven't worn. This is probably one of the most full drawers that I have, and yeah. This is now the pile of clothes.
6 months later.
This one is my maybes, and this one are my definite keeps. This one is all of the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of, which is like the biggest pile. I'm gonna go over a lot of these with you guys and just go over like why I decided to get rid of them and like tips to getting rid of stuff in your closet as well. Let's go, Blake. Let's do the thing. Oh, and by the way, about the Red Bull, because it's been a little bit since I drank it, and honestly, I can't say it gave me wings. If anything, it probably took my wings because I was way more hyper this morning than I was after I drank it. It didn't leave me feeling like anything. So my first tip for getting rid of clothes, especially if you have a lot of clothes to get rid of, you should take out like one pair of jeans, a white t-shirt, and just like really basic items that you can wear a lot of different things with, so that when you're trying on, you don't have to like switch and find different pants to wear with it. Just like keep it really simple. We don't want to take a lot of time. We want to be quick and fast and get out the door because we got shit to do today. Get out some basic stuff and just do that. Starting off, I decided to get rid of this shirt. I actually got it because I really like the way it fit me, but obviously I don't have a lot of colors like this in my closet. I couldn't really find a whole lot to wear with it, so I was like, this is another striped shirt for the same reasons. I don't have a lot of stuff to match it. When do I wear gray? Honestly, this right here is a maybe. I actually really like it, but it's not really my style, but I like that it's glittery and it actually fits me really good. So like as I go through my maybes, you guys should comment down below what you think, if I should keep it or not. And if I got something that I'm getting rid of and you think like, no, you really definitely should not do that, then I'm open for those as well, because sometimes when I'm about to sell something that I got rid of in my closet, I end up putting it back in my closet. Another thing that I was kind of like a maybe about is this, just because it's so short on me. But these crop tanks come in handy a lot. It's a really unique red too. I really like this color. This one is actually a definite because I just think it's really cute, and I was gonna get rid of it just because it's just another striped shirt, but it does have Pooh Bear on there. I also decided to keep this because although I haven't worn it, I am actually like in love with it. It looks like a film picture of flowers. I don't really care for v-necks, and the fabric's kind of thin. I don't really like having to wear like multiple layers, so this one is gone. I actually was purposefully trying to get rid of a lot of striped shirts because I have so many. Again, like I don't have a whole lot of burgundy in my closet, so I might as well not even bother. This is another shirt that I've had for a minute. It is a vintage like baseball tee, and I just liked that it was vertical stripes and it was like a teal color. Yeah, but I decided to get rid of it because I don't really care about how it fits on me. This is actually a really cute piece that I used in my Selena lookbook, and this is a maybe, by the way. I just don't see myself ever really wearing it because it's so like out there, but there are some times that I'll keep something and it won't be until like a year later that I end up finding the matching piece to it in a thrift store. I decided to keep this one just because the colors are wacky and it's a different kind of print, not one that I have anywhere close to the same kind of style. What I try to do also is like make a pile of clothes that is like you have to wear this before you wear anything else. If I really never get the chance to, then I probably am not that excited about it. I like having a lot of solid colors, but this isn't too crazy. It's just a plain blah. I have a lot of solid colors of tops, but I rarely ever wear them. They do come in handy, but I don't think they're worth keeping. If I really need something to match with it, I can always like find a plain shirt online. Two shirts that I didn't really see myself getting rid of are these two. I like how different they are. They're very unique, and I like how big the patterns are. But I don't like the fabric. The simple fact of like the fabric being a little bit weird is enough for me to get rid of it. This is a big maybe for me because I do still really like it. I just love the dragons and it's see-through. And although this one is cool, that doesn't mean that it's meant for me. I decided to keep this striped shirt, although it's just white and pink. I think that the layered kind of look is really cool, and it actually fits me really well, especially like around the collar. Okay, I'm actually debatable about this shirt as well because I think it fits me really nice, but it's just like a plain blue shirt. It's just I think I might let this one go. Okay, so I'm actually gonna get rid of this shirt, which I really liked it, but I decided that it looks kind of weird on me, so it's like semi-cropped, so it's like I can't tuck it into a shirt, but it like hangs over like my waist. What you should do when it comes to like white t-shirts is you might as well just compare them to other white t-shirts, because there's white t-shirts that like I'll wear multiple times before I ever get to this one. This is a shirt that I've had for a really long time, and I actually always loved it. I just loved how random it was. I kind of have like not that great memories attached to this shirt, so I'm like, I might as well just throw that out and throw out the memories with it. Another shirt that the fabric is weird, and I'm not one for ironing. I want to be able to fold it up, so I'm not going to keep this. So I'm definitely keeping this one just because I think it's really cool, and I love that it has side stripes. I'm really hungry. My parents won't start that. Okay, so this is a item that I actually bought off Depop, and although it fits a little bit big on me, it's not something that I can't fix. I don't know if I'll ever wear this, and it has stars all over it. I love stars. I decided to get rid of this shirt because I'm not crazy about it. I don't even listen to this band. I just thought the fit was cool. I really like this one. It's really cutesy, but I'm not crazy about it. So here's a couple tank tops I decided to keep. This striped one, pink one, also this striped one. I actually put this on Instagram as a poll between this one and this one, and everybody voted for this one. I was kind of leaning towards this one as well, and I always kind of ask my boyfriend for his opinion when I'm going over my clothes because he kind of knows what I like, and when you're the one choosing if you're gonna keep it or not, you'll definitely be biased and you'll come up with excuses to keep it. If you put it in the pile and it doesn't hurt like excruciatingly, then just let it stay. You'll get over it. You'll find more clothes. Okay, this shirt I decided to keep because although it fits me weird if I tie it up in the back, it looked kind of cool. It's fruit. It's fruit. Okay, this maybe is just because it looks really cool. I love the people on the bottom. It's literally them that makes me want to keep it. It's not really one that I can wear oversized with like leggings, but it's also one that I can't tuck in either. This is the most important part. This shirt, I love it, but it's a size large and it's hard to tuck in. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I just decided that I'm actually gonna get rid of this one. That skirt is the only reason why I will ever wear this. And if you can only wear it with one outfit, then get rid of it. Actually, I take that back. I do keep some things just because I can wear it with one outfit, but it has to be a super spectacular, great, amazing outfit that you plan to wear multiple times. What I do actually really like about this top is that it's like a terry cloth material, and the stripes are like a different pattern that I don't have. This is another one of those shirts that the material is weird, and I hate this shirt. This shirt fits me weird because like it goes down on the sides and it's higher in the middle. I don't know what that's about. This is a maybe because I like lime green and it fits me good, but the collar is just a little bit too big, but I like the print on the back. I think it's time to go. I've had it for a minute. This one feels like it's getting a little bit worn. Yeah, getting it. We're being easy this time. I used to like really put stuff on and like look in the mirror for a minute and be like, But now I give myself like 10 seconds to think about it. Like I hate that when you can't tuck it in and you can't wear it as a crop top. I don't mess with that, man. This one is brand new and I thought the way it fit me was kind of cool, but I mean, look at that. People are going to think I'm like a traffic sign or something. I also did a poll for this one and everybody told me to keep it, and I do think it looks really cool. It looks like water. This is a plain white and yellow striped top. I have way cooler stuff than that. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. It is like really weird, but it does seem like a legit item. Because of the tag, it's very 90s. I don't see myself visiting New York too often to even want to wear it, and I wouldn't want to wear it here. And yeah, it's just a black shirt, which I actually think it's really cute, and it's very 90s because it zips up in the front, but It's just a black top. Okay, I decided to keep this shirt because I think it's really cute. I love the colors, although it does have holes in the sleeve. I think it's worth like keeping. This is a maybe item. I really love the print, but will I actually wear it though? I do think the print is like really cool, but I also decided that I should only have like vintage items in my closet. I might as well. It makes it easier to get rid of stuff. This is another striped shirt that I actually decided to keep because I just think the fit is like really cool, and I like how the sleeves are like. This is a big maybe. The way it fits is good, but like I don't see myself wearing it that often. Well, I guess I can't really wear anything that often. And this is an orange crop top that it's okay. The pattern is a pattern. I like patterns, but is it a pattern that I like? I can't decide sometimes because I see so many. This is just a boxy, cropped, peachy colored shirt. I like the color. Look at this. I got so much room in here now. Like, wow. Wow, I could put my hand in there. Before, it was like up to here. I didn't even go through the aerobic stuff yet that I took out. Like, just this alone was like so much to cover. If you guys have any questions about like what you should do when you're trying to organize your closet or anything, I am the person to ask. No lie, I'm super organized. I love to clean. I'm like a clean freak. How do you think my room looks so clean? And if you think about all the stuff that I have, just think about that. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.